Zapier has long been the favorite automation tool for many. Last year, they introduced some major product updates, enhancing the platform's capabilities. This year, they focus on refining those product updates while giving us a clear vision of their planned direction for the platform. Product releases like Zapier Tables, Interfaces, and Chatbots were immensely improved, and the release of Zapier Agents, formerly Central, allows users to build more complex workflows, create custom solutions, and do more with Zapier that goes beyond just simple automation. Hi there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies like yours get automated with portals, apps, and integrations. In this video, we're exploring the biggest updates from Zapier in 2024, what they are, how they help you transform your workflows, and what direction they're taking the platform in. From boosting user experience to expanding on their already massive library of connected apps and changing what you are charged for. The updates of 2024 are exciting to chat about, so let's dive right in. Zapier has long been a favorite automation tool as it simplifies the automation setup for teams. The UI is intuitive and easy to use and has often attracted those wanting to set up automated workflows without needing to be overly tech savvy. But Zapier appears to be increasingly eager to open their user market, which is reflected in the apps we will chat about. Let's kick things off with Zapier Tables. Now, this is a super important feature as it shows Zapier beginning to position itself as a more robust multi-purpose tool. Zapier Tables brings a lightweight database to the platform. It allows users to manage and organize data directly in Zapier. Think of it as a native home for your workflow's key info, eliminating the need for an external app like Airtable or SmartSuite if you don't really need to use these. Tables shine in scenarios where your workflow depends on dynamic lists, temporary data, or tracking activity as part of an automation process. With the already built-in triggers and actions, you can easily update, query, and manage your data without ever needing to leave Zapier. Now, this is a good point to make right here, because Zapier Tables is within Zapier and built to be automated. When you make adjustments or changes to your data, you're not going to break your automated workflow, which is an issue we are all too familiar with when connecting your external apps and making small tweaks that disrupt your entire automated setup. Zapier Tables keeps everything running smoothly, no breaks. Now, if you're running a business and want to manage or streamline your customer inquiries, with Zapier Tables, you could create a simple automated system to track and organize these inquiries, like here. They're automatically populated from an email or a form submission. We are tracking the issue and automatically setting the status. We are also calculating a follow-up date. You can then use this data to trigger actions in your other apps, like notifying your team on Slack, creating a customer in HubSpot, or sending an email to a client, all without leaving Zapier. Next up, let's talk about Zapier Interfaces, which is another major step in the direction of becoming an all-in-one solution, which is the stance that plenty of industry-leading platforms are currently making in 2024. This new feature empowers you to build custom front ends for your workflows. Think forms, portals, and apps. A user-friendly dashboard that allows you and your team to interact with and update the data and automations you've set up, without needing to dive into the back-end processes. So we have Zapier Tables to store your data, the old faithful Zaps or Zapier to connect, sync, and automate that data, and we have Zapier Interfaces that now allow us to better display and interact with that data. Ecosystem happening? Interfaces even further bridges the gap between technical and non-technical users because now anyone on your team can interact with your automation in a meaningful way. So no technical expertise really required. This feature shines in any situation where you need a centralized way to collect data, like client intake forms, internal request portals, or even as a lightweight CRM. And because it is integrated directly into Zapier, interfaces seamlessly work with your existing workflows. And with Tables, you can now better manage the data you capture. You can embed an app, form, or portal into an existing website, or you can actually make it its very own standalone website. Now, there's also a great list of components that you can add. On the left here, we've got table view, Kanban view, a chatbot that we'll discuss soon, and media, plus much more. You'll also want to take a look at their list of interface templates, which help you get started straight away. Zapier Chatbots was introduced later last year, and we've seen it go from just a basic website chatbot to more of a well-informed customer AI assistant. The major improvement I want to talk about is chatbot web crawling. You can add a source just by simply inputting a website's URL, and then you have the option to crawl that link and include subpages. This feature automatically generates a list for you to check off and choose which subpages you want to include. So easy. Then you just add the source, and instead of you jumping between pages and tabs, copying that URL, and pasting, it makes collecting that knowledge so much easier. Plus, you can actually schedule when your knowledge syncs, daily, weekly, or any preferred schedule. There is also major improvements to chatbot integrations. Here, you can manage each individual contact source, Slack, email, Facebook Messenger, so on. All you need to do is just click the integration, and then this automatically opens a Zap with your chatbot built in, ready for you to get the integration going. The Conversations tab was also added to chatbot, providing analytics on customer interactions with your chatbot, which helps businesses better optimize their responses and prompts using real data. Now, Zapier also introduced conditional logic setup, which allows you to better control how your chatbot responds to question asking based on previous responses. Zapier Agents, formerly Zapier Central, also received significant updates to its AI bot builder. The latest update includes a Chrome extension that enhances the power of these AI bots. It enables them to interact with live website data for more context-driven automation. This extension takes information from the current web page and connects it directly with Zapier. You can now execute quick actions like analysis, text translation, summarizing content, and so on, all directly from the website you're on. This feature helps streamline your research, and then you can actually collect that data and place it straight in your Zapier Tables. Moreover, the Agents platform allows you to set specific triggers and actions, such as creating, updating, or retrieving data across other platforms like Airtable or SmartSuite. Now, like with all new products, the Zapier team has set up a Slack channel for all early adopters of that product, like agents, upcoming functions, and more. This allows the users to report bugs and share feedback, and ensures that the tool continues to evolve. Design and UI updates were continually rolled out to Zapier Canvas, which is another product currently in beta. Zapier Canvas helps you better visualize your workflows by offering a more intuitive drag-and-drop interface to build and customize automations. And finally, the other major and quite huge update that happened in 2024 is how Zapier charges you. Previously, when you used native functions like filters, formatters, paths, and delays, they counted as tasks, which increased your costs. Now, these features are no longer counted as tasks, which means you save money while still accessing the same powerful functionality, which is a huge win for users. It provides so much more value to the platform. This shift in pricing structure has major benefits, especially for teams that heavily rely on these native functions to get stuff done. By removing that cost, Zapier has significantly improved its value. It's an incredibly smart move that will attract businesses and cut costs. Zapier's updated pricing page now also highlights these products, tables, interfaces, and chatbots, reflecting the platform's aim to cater to teams that need more than just a simple automation tool. While Zapier is still the go-to tool for those looking for simple, easy automations, it's beginning to position itself as more of an all-in-one powerful solution. So make sure that you explore the latest features and pricing updates from Zapier to see how you and your business can save time and money. If you need help automating parts of your business, don't hesitate to reach out to us at automationhelpers.com. Our team of experts are offering a free 30-minute consultation, so book yours today.